So what exactly is the Cash App glitch? So originally, Cash App was having issues where their customers were being charged twice. Now usually this is just a quick fix where people get mad, and then eventually they fix it, and the problem goes away. Now this is what happened, but after the fix, people realized that you can input any number into the app and deposit those funds into your bank without actually even having that money. People were 30,000, 1,000, whatever number you can think of, people were putting into the app and being able to take that money out. Come on now, you ain't hit the Cash App glitch yet. So naturally, people got onto this quick. Everybody started using the Cash App glitch. People were pulling out racks and racks. This glitch was so popular they even made a song about it. Michael Jordan, I just swiped, and I just made another glitch. I just burned it for the head. 9 o'clock up in the morning, you're clear. And for a long time, this seemed to be an actual glitch in the Cash App system. But people didn't realize that after Cash App would catch on to this, any user who inputted any number into that account, who didn't have the funds for that, were automatically charged back and put into debt. There was absolutely no way that a multi-billion-dollar company was going to let something like this slide. It even says in the terms and service of Cash App that if you do this, and if you do not pay the money back, after a certain amount of days, they can withhold your funds and then start taking money from that to pay the debt back. And after another certain amount of days, if they don't have their money back, they can start pursuing legal action. So anybody who was caught doing this is not in good hands right now. So the question of, is it still going on? It probably is still going on. Some people are barely catching on to this glitch, but Cash App is now aware of it. And anybody who was caught doing this is not only going to be in serious debt, but if they do not get that money back, your funds will be frozen and they can pursue legal action. So should you do this? If you think the smart thing is trying to defraud a multi-billion-dollar company, go ahead. But if you are just hearing about this and you think it's real, it is not real. There is a little scam tied into this. The Cash App glitch, it's real. The Cash App glitch is over and you'll be in debt. Once you send over this person that money, they get the real money, you're going to end up in debt and are in the running now to get sued by Cash App. So if you are just learning about this, do not do it. Stay away from it. Unless you want to be in serious debt and or get sued by a multi-billion-dollar company. There are some people whose lives have actually been ruined just by doing this little simple gimmick. A lot of people pulled out $40,000 and they spent it within that short amount of time. Now they either have to pay that back or get sued until they get paid back. If you are someone who has done this, you have the money still sitting in your account. Leave it there, do not take it out, and just hope that Cash App is like, just give us the money back and we'll be fine. That Cash App customer support. So you can get in touch with the right people to give that back. You do not want to ruin your life over something like this.